everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and I am doing this warm chestnut brown matte color on my eyes today. So it is an eyeshadow look. It's basic, really. It's only one eyeshadow on all of my eyes. And then I have another eyeshadow for my brows. I will be showing little clips of what I wore on my face, and then more in depth about the eyes a little bit on how I achieve this eye look with one eyeshadow. Basically I just used 3 different brushes. I think it was only 3, but yeah. I do want to remind y'all, I do have a giveaway going on my channel soon. It will be uploaded July 26th, so I believe that's 7 days from now. My bad, it's 4 days until that giveaway video is going to be posted on my channel. So just stay tuned for that. I did use 4 of the products that will be in this giveaway, but there's a few more products that will be in the giveaway. It is a summer giveaway, so I made it a little bit more summery. But yeah, if you're interested in entering that giveaway, it will be posted in 4 days from now. But yeah, if you want to see how I created this warm chestnut brown matte eyeshadow look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so what inspired me today for this eyeshadow look was this, was the Morphe palette, of course. I've been using it a lot here lately. It's the Morphe 3502 palette. It will be in that future giveaway that's going up the 26th. But now, this time I wanted to use the color Toasted, which is the 4th one on the bottom right here. That one, I really wanted to use it today just for a more simple brown eyeshadow look. This is like a warm chestnut brown. It's a very beautiful brown, in my opinion. And I have brown eyes, so I thought it would just look good. But I'm going with a very simple look today, so all I did was basically set my eyes. I just used my foundation, the Giorgio Armani foundation. I think it's called Powder Fabric Foundation. No, okay, yeah, Powder Fabric Foundation. And then I set it with my Tarte Confidence Creamy Powder Foundation, which is just this powder right here. That's all I did so far, but yeah. I'm just going to go in with that Toasted shade right there. And I'm using like a very big, like a brow shader brush. Normally I use this for my brows. And I'm just going to dip in it a little bit. And pretty much put it on my eyeline part at first. And then I will, yeah, see where it goes. Because I want that pretty much the darkest spot, so I'm just making like a little, just a line right through there. Now I'm using more of a fluffier brush. This is from Wet n Wild. It's just an eyeshadow brush, I guess. And I'm going in with the Toasted color again, but a little bit more light. And I'm just going to put that right through there, just on the lid part. And now I'm going to go in with a clean-ish, it's a highlighter brush actually, but I'm using it as like a very large buffer brush or blending brush. So as you can tell, it pretty much has like 3 different shades to this one eyeshadow, doing it the way I did it. You can tell right through here around the lash line, it's really packed on and thicker, and it looks like a different color there in the middle of my eye where I used the Wet n Wild fluffier brush, and then I pretty much blended it to like right there above my eyebrow, and it looks like another different lighter shade. So that's pretty much what I do on an everyday basis with my eyeshadows when I want to do a very simple everyday look, but using one eyeshadow. So I'm going to do the other eye right quick off camera, and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to go in with that same color Toasted in the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm using that same like a big brow brush, and I'm going to do my lower lash lines. And then to basically blend it out where it's not as harsh, I'm going in with that same Wet n Wild fluffier eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to blend it out a little bit and make it like almost like a smoky eye. And I really like how this looks. Like, you can tell it just looks a little bit more, I don't know, I just like the look of this eye more than this eye. It looks a little messy, like you're not trying that hard, but it also looks like it just makes it look a little bit more in depth, I guess. I don't know. I just like the look a little bit better. Then after that, I'm going to use my Kicks mascara, and I'm just going to coat my top and bottom lashes with it. Alright, so if you mess up while you're doing your mascara, like I always do, and by the way, I did coat my lashes like 3 times off camera, and after that, I like to pretty much push them up with my finger, give them little push-ups. And this just helps it curl without having to use an actual curler, just because I feel like eyelash curler does not work that great on my eyes. But as you can tell, that really pushed them up a little bit. And you can also tell that I messed up on mascara, like I was trying to say before. All you have to do is wait for them to dry before you're trying to flick them off with a Q-tip, or at least that's what I do. And see how that just came off of there so easy? And you can do your lower lash lines, like you can see I messed up a little bit right here. And they should just like flake off a little bit. See? Just flake off really easy. Just let them dry first before you start messing with it. And see? It looks like I didn't mess up. Alright, that's pretty much all you have to do to achieve this very simple warm chestnut brown matte eyeshadow look. So now I'm going to show a little clip of how I applied the rest of my makeup, what I used, and a little bit of a clip of me actually putting it on, and then I will be right back with you. Alright, that's the end of this look. I hope you enjoyed it. I just showed you how I created this warm chestnut brown matte eyeshadow look. Yeah, don't forget, giveaway in 4 days from today, right here on my channel. Don't forget. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!